That's it.
This November, Renewal by Anderson wants to give you a huge win. You can have our award-winning windows and doors right now. You don't have to pay us a dime for
Ano
2
pa bang kakainin natin?
years.
Red rice.
You can
Tapos
try
yung
to pay
sobrang
us
ulam.
during the
O,
first
isda.
2 years, but we
Mm.
don't want it. Really, we
Mm.
don't want it. Save it, spend it,
Ano?
go buy a pony. Whatever you want to do.
Red rice.
And of all the things
Sobra.
you can do for your home, going with us is one of the best decisions you can make. Why? Because choosing Renewal by Anderson to replace your windows and doors makes
may
your
isda
home
tayo.
worth more. 3 out of 4 realtors surveyed agree that Anderson products increase a
Tapos
home's
sobrang
value
okra.
by at least 10%. Do that. I think you're going to be happy. And when you're ready to sell your home, it's possible that your new windows and doors could
Meron
help
tayong
pay
bagoong.
for themselves by increasing the value of your home. Here at Renewal by Anderson,
Bagoong type.
homegrown talent. Your local design consultants, measure technicians, certified master installers, and customer service team are all going to give you the best home improvement experience you've ever had. We want to introduce you to our brand new exclusive ensemble entry door systems. These are premium, custom-built entry doors that were designed for beauty and security. You're not going to find this door at a big box store. Oh yeah, and one more thing. No other window company is going to do the whole project, soup to nuts, with the nation's best warranty. And you don't pay us a dime until November of 2027. But only if you book your appointment by December 1st. Call 1-800-705-8585.
On. Isda. Saka red
The other
rice.
side, the labor market is stuck in a continued slowdown. Private sector hiring has declined in recent weeks. That's according to payroll provider ADP. Their data comes amid an absence of jobs numbers from the federal government due to the government shutdown.
Fast food restaurants are falling out of style with the younger crowd. Places like Chipotle and Sweet Green say they have seen a drop in sales from customers between 25 and 35. Instead, those people are packing food from home or going to cheaper fast food spots for lunch.
After a lot of openings and closings over the years, downtown Disney is finally getting a permanent spot for sub sandwiches. The Irma Sandwich will set up shop on the west end of downtown Disney sometime this winter.
Well, this morning we are getting a sneak peek into the new Disney cruise ship.
The Disney Destiny was christened last night, and in just a few days, it's going to set off on its maiden voyage. With more, here's ABC's Will Reeve.
All aboard. Disney Cruise Line's brand new ship, the Disney Destiny. The Destiny has a new and novel theme: Disney heroes and villains.
There are villains aboard. They like to have fun as well. So we thought this would be a really unique way to pair some of our intellectual property across the ships and bring our consumers and our fans into the experience in a way they haven't done before. So they're going to love this.
Our villains, our rogues and mischief makers will be right here to be able to interact with all families. What's this?
Oh, the Guardians are reporting on my rules.
From a villainous welcome in the Grand Hall to DeVille's Piano Lounge.
My goodness, Corella, this venue is absolutely stunning.
Of course it is. After all, the design was inspired by me.
How much thought and care goes into thinking which famous stories you're going to bring to life out on the open water? We think of these ships as brand ambassadors. So they are spaces where we can bring all of our best stories together, and each one of our ships, there are 7 of them now, tell their own story. And we have 13 ships that will be here by the time we're at 2031. We have so many more stories to tell. We're working with Epic Games and Fortnite. We have another ship coming in March, the Disney Adventure. That's going to Singapore. So we're being incredibly ambitious.
Hello there.
Expansion of Disney experiences around the world.
Including Hercules.
Busy.
Oh my God, it's so busy. I'm just like,
Yes, we'll be taking 4- and 5-night cruises.
I'm done.
Bahamas and to the Western Caribbean. It'll include stops at Disney Castaway Key and Disney Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. Going to be a great time as always
aboard the Disney Cruise Line. Will Reed, ABC News, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
There's one of us who has never set sail before, and it would not be me.
I've never
We gotta go.
I know, well, that looks like a fun trip. I mean, that would be.
Is the government open yet? Did
Which
they
one?
say? The federal open yet?
The what?
The federal.
Firefighters say the man
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
down the cliff, and that's
They-
what witnesses say they ended up
I don't
sliding down
know.
about 20 feet.
Yeah, they voted to open last
They're
night.
unable to climb back up. Fire crews were able to hoist the dog and owner up
I was,
safely.
I'm so busy monitoring the typhoon in the Philippines.
Oh my God. And yet your family okay?
Yeah,
Hey, good morning.
it's a super typhoon.
Couple days away.
Yeah,
We're
it's,
noticing a little bit of the changes in terms of some cloud coverage. We still have some lower clouds and fog hanging around. Some of the
we have a
beaches
friend who,
here in the
oh, we have family there too. I don't know which
Inland,
island.
we have some more mid and high level clouds. And so we'll continue.
Oh, I know.
More cloud coverage.
But we have a friend just flew over there for vacation a week ago.
Really on bad timing though.
Still seeing a
I know,
warm
bad
day today.
timing.
Let us start at 84 in Hemet, 81 in Temecula, 87 degrees.
And
over
she's
Hills.
traveling, traveling by herself.
Oh, my.
So that's the scary part.
I know.
Temperatures warming up thanks to some sunshine as well. But
Do you know which island?
I don't,
No?
but the mom got a hold of her and says it's okay. Western side doesn't bother anything.
How old is she? Girl? Boy?
Yeah,
Good.
she's there. I don't know exactly where.
Mm.
As we head into Wednesday, tomorrow's the in-between day, a little cooler, mostly still mild. Our temperatures are going to be really nice still tomorrow. Thursday it starts to get cool. We're back to sweater weather. This is looking at
This goes
Thursday morning
crazy
at about
anyway.
8:30.
We got 200 something missing. Dead and there's missing too.
Yes, there's dead and there's missing. That's why the mom said come back, my God.
This is about 1 p.m. Looks like we can start seeing some sprinkles in some of these northern areas, and then by that afternoon and overnight into Friday morning at about 5 a.m. we continue to see
This
some
is the
rain.
worst
Now,
season,
this
huh?
I know.
it's showing a little bit more
We have a lot of
rain
typhoon coming
Friday,
still.
and the latest
Yeah.
update
There's
now
3
is
more.
rain in this
What?
Saturday, too.
3 more
So,
typhoon.
roll through Friday, you see enough moisture out there continuing to bring showers, but we'll
Oh,
get
man.
breaks at times. This is looking at about 9 p.m. And then heading into Saturday at 6 a.m., it looks like we continue to
Then how
possibly
much
see
can
some wet
people
weather
handle?
heading into our Saturday.
Mm,
So Saturday, now looking to change, and this just happened with some of the
Filipinos are
most
very
recent model runs as of
resilient,
the
so
last
yeah,
hour or
they
few
can handle that.
hours. By the time we head into Sunday, we could still see some spotty showers. So all of our rain totals could really be increasing if that Saturday model holds. By late Friday night, most areas, especially the lower elevations, looking between 1 to 2 inches of rain. However, there's going to be some outlier areas, especially the mountains, that could see some higher totals. If we roll through Sunday right now with that latest model run on Saturday, it looks like totals are up quite
Oh
a
my
bit.
God, this
So
girl looks
we might be
horrible.
changing that Saturday forecast. As we head into tomorrow, it's going to, I think, come together a little bit more. So stay tuned for that. Family and OC starts to get pretty iffy after we get through this first round here. Valleys and Inland Empire, same goes. We're still expecting the bulk and a lot of it to be Thursday.
Okay.
Late Thursday and the Friday morning. But now Saturday, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe Saturday might be a mostly rainy day. But again,
I'm done.
this will